What's up, YouTube? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and welcome to part 2 of my 3-part series on what a landing page is, why you need it for your business, and how to create the perfect landing page. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the money-making content. Let's go! What's up, everyone? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and in this video we are going to go over the practical way to build a landing page. All right, this is part 2 of a 3-part series on what a landing page is, how to create the perfect landing page, and why you need it for your business. So let's get on with it. Let's get some housekeeping done real quick. Like I said, my name is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and this channel talks all about making money online when it comes to building landing pages, sales funnels, email marketing, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, all those things involving making money online in that making money online space on the internet here. So if that is your thing, if that's how you want to get down, if that is what you want to learn, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you know the next time I drop new fire hot content ready for you to consume. All right, let's go. So like I said, in this video we are going to get into how to build a landing page. So what I'm going to do is get myself off the screen and out of the way and show my full screen and do a share on the screen. So let's reduce me down here, and I'm going to go over to this right here and expand this page. So now I run a WordPress website, and I use Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect as my website builder. And so this right here is my back office of my WordPress slash Marketing Online Enterprises website. And we're going to go over here to where it says Pages, and then we're going to go over to where it says Add New. So we're going to start to build our landing page straight from scratch. All right, so this is the page that we want to go to, and we are first going to give our landing page a title. And so we are going to go with the theme that we had before in the first video in regards to losing weight, and we are going to title this let's see, report. Let's see, report on how to lose, let's say 14 pounds in 2 weeks. All right, let's space that out a little bit. Let's do this here. All right, and so that's the name of this page that we're going to have. We're going to publish this and hit publish one more time to be certain. And here we go. So right now we actually have the permalink made for this site. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to, like I said, use Thrive Architect right here. I'm going to hit Thrive Architect and get started. All right, this is very basic, very generic right now on how it's set up, and this is just blank for the most part. So Thrive Architect has a lot of tools, and I'm going to utilize them right here on this right hand side. This little cloud says change template. I'm going to click that, and then all these default templates are available to me right here. I can be able to use to create a landing page. So I am going to go over here where it says icons and expand this, and I'm going to go over to where it says 2-step lead generation right here, and this is going to give me a generic platform for making my landing page. So I'm going to go over here that says choose template, and it's going to build this up for me real quick like here. And for the most of this right here, I'm going to change almost all of this out. All right, so first off, I'm going to go right here and clear out all of this. All right, and this is going to be I'm going to make this my headline. I'm going to put, let's see, how to lose 8 to 14 pounds in, let's say, 2 weeks. Let's see here. Or better yet, let's say, get your free report on how to lose 8 to 14 pounds in 2 weeks. All right. And I'm gonna change my font style here. I like different font styles. I prefer to deal with Georgia. I like Georgia, it looks good. All right, so we're going to use that. And then I'm going to get rid of these 3 icons right here. I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to put in here a video content piece. I'm going to put this right underneath this heading. And I have a video that I'm going to use from Vimeo for this. So we're going to utilize ClickBank's one of ClickBank's offers, which is called the 2-week diet. And in here, this is the affiliate page for the 2-week diet, and they have a video that we can be able to utilize. I've already taken the liberty for sake of this video, and I've copied the embed code for this video right here. And so I've got that on my notepad, and what I'm going to do is utilize this video right here. So I'm going to go down to where it says notes. I'm going to pull that video right here. I'm going to copy that. All right, I've got that copied. I'm going to go back over here to my landing page that I've been working on. So right here, I'm going to put in the URL and the code from this video. So I'm going to type in HTTPS and then colon. Then I'm going to actually copy in that code that I just took from that page, from my notepad. And it should have this video that I copied. Here it is. So that's the whole code for it. And there we have it. Oh, there we go. That video is in there right now, and I'm going to give this video some style to this video. I'm going to give it a, let's give it a lift frame on it. And how about, or better yet, how about that? There we go. That looks good. And now maybe I can even give it a border. Maybe I can add a border to it as well. Oh, better yet, hold on. Go back over here to video. This is going to have to do. That's even better. I like that. So now we've got a video in here for our landing page. So get your free report on how to lose 8 to 14 pounds in 2 weeks. Now what I'm also going to do is put another element in here. And I am going to put in another heading. But it's just going to be a smaller heading that's going to go underneath the video right here. And I'm going to type on here, enjoy this video while you get your free report. All right, and then I'm going to center that and just make that text just a little bit smaller, and maybe give an exclamation point. There we go. So we've got that made. Now for this background right here, let's give it a little bit of a background. Let's give it an image on this background. So why don't we do this? Go to background style and go to this little icon right here. It says image, and we can choose an image from our library of pictures. How about we use this image right here, insert, and we can just hit apply and even change a little bit of the opacity of this picture. Here we go. So that looks good right there. All right, great. This right here looks perfect. Now what we're going to do next in the third video is we're going to do step 2 of the landing page, and we're going to attach our autoresponder into this landing page. So we're going to work with this button right here. We're going to change that up, and then we're going to send our visitor to step 2 where they can input their email to get their free report. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Deuces.